Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out ClickDealer, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good affiliate marketing network for you to pick products from? How does this actually work? How much can you get paid out? And is this a legitimate way to make money online? All right, so I'm going to review ClickDealer. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just with the internet and computer, then click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money on this channel online. Some of them are great, some of them so-so, some of them are just a waste of time. So let's check out ClickDealer to find out what this is like, how can you make money from it, and is this a good use of your time? All right, now ClickDealer is an affiliate marketplace. All right, so you can pick all sorts of different types of affiliate products. They do CPA, CPL, CPS, rev share, and what that means is well, CPA, you can recommend products by doing a specific action or getting your members or leads to do a specific action. CPS is cost per sale. You just sell a product and they'll pay you a commission. Rev share, you share revenue with a specific company, and they also do pay per call. So if you can book calls where their call center will actually get the calls, then you also get paid for every single call that you can generate for them. So a lot of different types of offers. All right, now with ClickDealer, if you wanted to become a publisher, so you would be a publisher, you're what's basically called an affiliate, you're a marketer, and you can market their products from their network. And so you could come to the publisher section, you would come to services, okay, and you would just click here to get an account. Now the nice thing with ClickDealer is they've been around for a long time, since 2012. They're based in the Netherlands, all right, so they're in Amsterdam, and they have been around for a very, very long time, and they've got all sorts of different products that you can choose from their website. So their top verticals are right here: dating, e-commerce, nutraceutical, mobile subscriptions, gambling, and sort of free downloads from different vendors. And I'll show you an example of this in a second, okay? Now, you can see here CPA, CPL, CPS, CPI, and rev share. These are the main kinds of business models that they work with. But just to keep things simple, if you've never done affiliate marketing before, it just means that if you sell their products for them or get someone to fill up an application form, to download an offer for free or to get a phone call, they will pay you accordingly. Now, every single offer pays a different amount of money, so we'll go through some of that in a second, just so that you can see what kind of commissions that you can expect to make from someone like ClickDealer. But these guys work with a lot of companies, thousands of different brands and offers, all right, and they pay out weekly through Wire, through Payoneer, through PayPal, and through check. Okay, so it's pretty flexible, and they pay out on a regular basis, which is the important thing that you need to understand. Right now, let's take a look at some of their products and how this actually works. Okay, so if you wanted to start working with them, first of all, you would have to sign up as a publisher, get an account, and then you would choose the different opportunities that you want to promote. All right, so do you want to be in the dating space? Do you want to be in the e-commerce space? Do you want to promote nutraceuticals, right, like healthcare products, physical and digital, mobile subscriptions, gambling, and free downloads? Right now, the big thing that you have to understand is that in order for you to really make money from a platform like ClickDealer, you have to already have a following, or you have to have a website where people are interested in one of these verticals. Okay, so you must have a follower base that is interested in dating online, or you must have a follower base that's interested in buying e-commerce physical products, or maybe you have a blog that talks about healthcare, all right, or how to lose weight or how to gain muscle, right? So then you can sell some of the nutraceutical products. That would make sense, right? Or maybe you have a crowd that's interested in making money online, so you might be able to promote some of their gambling offers, okay? But unfortunately, if you're not that experienced and you don't either have a big social media following, or you don't have a big website, or you don't have a big blog, then it might be difficult to promote some of these offers. And I'm going to show you this in a second, okay? So this is a website where it shows you some of the offers that they have. Obviously, they've got thousands, but this is just an example, all right? So this one, for example, if I was to click on it to show you, okay, this offer is basically like a dating website. Okay, this is a CPA offer. That means cost per acquisition. That means they will pay you every time you get someone to fill out an application form and put their credit card details in. All right, so then they will pay you 12 euros. Now, it's not that easy to do that, because you must have a following that is interested in online dating. All right, so do you have some sort of traffic source, or a blog or a website, or maybe you've got a following and maybe you have a dating channel on Instagram, right, or a dating page? This might be a good offer. for you to run. Okay, so they would pay you for every application that's filled out. 12 euros. That's not bad, because some of them pay a lot less, like 1 or 2 euros. Okay, this is another one. Okay, again, this is a dating site. This pays a lot less. Look at this one, $2.55. All right, for a cost per acquisition offer. That means they fill out an application form, they become a member for free. All right, you get paid $2.55. This one is a casino offer. Okay, this one is a 115 euro CPA. Now, depending on what they require you to do, that's why this one is so high. Okay, it's very likely that this particular one will require them to not only sign up, but also spend a little bit of money. So maybe they have to spend, 200 euros or 300 euros in credit, and then they will pay you 115 euros back. That's how some CPA offers work. You have to do specific things in order for you to make money. So again, do you have an audience that is interested in gambling or playing casino games, right? Here's another casino game right here, 200 euros. That's a big one. Again, you'll probably have to get them to spend some money. This one's also another casino one, 160 bucks right there, right? So they've got a whole bunch of different offers. Not all of them are gambling or dating. Like here, they've got nutraceutical, e-commerce, and free downloads as well. Okay, so it just depends on what kind of base that you have. But overall, ClickDealer is a very decent website. It's mainly good for people that have experience, I would say. Okay, so if you've been marketing online, you've got a big website, you've got a big blog, you've got a big following on social media, and you have a vertical that fits one of these: dating, e-commerce, nutraceutical, mobile, gambling, or free downloads, then this might be a good website or good affiliate network for you to use. Unfortunately, if you're a beginner, like you're watching this video and you're like, Aaron, I want to make money from recommending other people's products online, but you don't have any idea what you're doing, you're just a beginner, you've got no big website, you've got no following on social media, ClickDealer is not the right thing for you, because this is usually for people that are pretty experienced, unfortunately. But if you're experienced, then this is a great affiliate network that you can check out if you would like. All right, now if you are watching this video right now and you want to get involved in affiliate marketing, maybe you want to sell products online, digital or physical, you know that going online is the way to go, but you have no idea what you're doing. You're a beginner, all right? You don't know what networks to go to, you don't know what products to pick, you don't know how to do any of that stuff. Then I've got a masterclass that will show you how to go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 100% online, and all you need to do is recommend other people's products on the internet, and this is global, which is really, really cool. So if you want the step-by-step for free, just click the link below and I will send you my masterclass. You can check that out if you would like. I hope you enjoyed this review of ClickDealer. Hope to see you on another review. Take care and all the best to you.